Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video and this is your favorite category. It's a haul video, but this is a highly requested video. So many of you had requested me for office wear haul, outfits that you wanted to wear to work, and I'm here to share with you guys my recommendations of some beautiful summer office wear outfits from W. So guys, I ended up going to W and picking up a lot of outfits specifically for office wear. These are basically all my recommendations for summer wear, office wear outfits. And I feel like the clothes that you wear to work needs to be comfortable yet of course smart. As strong independent women that we're all, I feel it's so important to wear outfits that speak for your personality, and I really feel W really nails it in terms of some beautiful, amazing outfits that make you feel good and confident. That's what I love about W's collection. It's very bold yet easy breezy. It's very breathable. Like, their clothes are very comfy yet very stylish. This is the first outfit actually that I'm wearing, but I'm going to be showing you guys and trying out 5 outfits that are perfect for office wear from W. So the first outfit is of course the outfit that I'm wearing right now. You can't do a summer wardrobe without some whites in it, so I obviously had to start with something white, and of course something that's floral. I love floral prints, but when it comes to work, you can't wear very big prints also. So I like to wear, my personal style is to wear really understated clothes which are subtle yet elegant. So this dress was just apt. It's like a cotton linen dress. It's a button dress. It's an A-line dress and it's so beautiful. You can check it out. How pretty is this dress? It's just so breezy and so pretty and so perfect for work. Something you can wear the entire day, sit around, do meetings and yet look very nice. I love the silhouette. I feel this is the kind of silhouettes you can't go wrong with. And actually this is such a multi-purpose outfit that while right now I'm wearing it as a dress, which of course looks really nice, the length is actually just apt. You can actually team it up with pants, with a dupatta and just, convert it into a suit as well. I like that it's A-line, it's super duper comfortable, and I feel their fits are just so amazing. I'm wearing a size 10 right now, but it just feels perfect on me. I find this silhouette very comfortable because you want to sit around all day, attend meetings. Comfort is very important when it comes to work. It's an added confidence when you wear something nice. You automatically, your confidence becomes double fold. The pricing of W's outfits are also so good. This is priced at 2799 for 2800. Such a beautiful outfit. I think it's well worth it. This is the first outfit, guys. I'm going to move on to the next. So moving on to my next outfit, and if you all know me since before, you know how much I love cord sets and I feel they are the perfect summer attire. And what is a summer wardrobe without some yellow in it? If I had it my way, I would pick up everything yellow because I feel it's so perfect for summer, and cottons and light colors are just so pretty. This is a beautiful lilac in yellow printed cord set. It's a short kurta with pants and I feel it's just perfect for summer, and it's perfect for like your everyday workwear. This is the kind of stuff is just perfect. It's so breathable. That's what I feel the collection is all about. The fabrics are really breezy. The silhouettes are really nice. It's super comfy and of course it looks really smart when you wear this. Ankle length pants, super duper comfortable, and this set just looks so smart for an everyday basis to wear to work. I feel the length of this shirt is also just apt. It's neither too long nor too short, and the pants are also super comfy. So yes, very well priced again. 2500 is a very good price for cord sets like these. So I highly recommend you to go get one of these for sure. By the way guys, in most of these outfits I'm wearing a size 10 and it just fit me perfectly. W's pants are fitting me like a dream. They're elasticated and they are so perfect fit that they are very breathable. They're very easy breezy and breathable. They're not like clinging to you. So that's my second recommendation for you. I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, yet again, you can't do a summer wardrobe without some nice blues. I feel blue and white is a color that's so synonymous with summer. You also can't do a summer workwear wardrobe without some blues in them, and these kind of blues will actually take your blues away. I actually underestimated this outfit because I didn't try it at that time, but now that I'm trying it, I'm in love with this. It is so beautiful. It has thread work on the sleeves and on the neck and on the pants as well. So it actually has these slit pants which look so stunning. I love the style of these slits, which is also very stylish. But overall, I feel the fit of this set is so beautiful. It slightly got gathers here, and of course it has a slit on the side. The fit and the work on this outfit is so stunning. I personally love it. I think it's really nice. I love the style. I love that it's slightly like A-line kind of sleeve. This is priced at 4,999, but then also for 5,000 rupees, such a beautiful set. It's just so worth the money because it just fits really well and it just looks so nice. I'm actually a medium to large, but because their pants are so comfortable, they're all elasticated and they're very roomy and comfy, literally made for the Indian body type. I feel they just fit me like a dream. That's the thing about their outfits. They are workwear, yet you can wear them on other occasions also, which makes them very multi-purpose. Let's not limit our wardrobe. We definitely want outfits which we can wear on multiple occasions, team up differently and all of that. It's very important to be comfortable in our skin, comfortable in our body type, comfortable in the fabrics and the fits and the styles that we wear, which is where W comes in. They really nail the comfort and the style factor together perfectly. So yes, this is the third outfit. I absolutely love it. So my next outfit is very interesting. I actually saw this on the poster in the store and I was like, I have to get this one. It's this beautiful coat set again, which is so nice. It's blue in color, but it's like that beautiful blue with such a nice self print on it, and of course it's buttoned, it's A-lined, and it has a palazzo with it, which just looks so pretty. I love the belt detailing. I feel it's a very boss lady mode when you wear a belt on top. It's such a soft cotton fabric. The print looks so pretty. Look at the print, look at the belt, look at the plazos, which are of course adding to the style of this. This silhouette I feel is very different from the usual straight cut styles. In fact, they have such beautiful silhouettes. I was spoiled for choice. I like that it has slits and it's oversized. I think I'm wearing a size 10 again. But again, it's super loose, yet it's easy breezy, and because it's loose, this belt is just adding the right shape to the outfit, and it's giving it such a nice smart look. It's so feminine, it's so pretty, yet it's so stylish and smart. It really screams summer here, yet it's so stylish. Perfect for summer because the color, the fabric, it's a very thin, flowy fabric. Which makes it very roomy, very airy, and it just looks so nice. And the color is just screaming summer and the fabric is super thin, so it just looks very nice. I've actually saved the best for the last because the moment I've set my eyes on this dress, it was just so me. Yet I want to talk about the fact that sometimes the most simplest silhouettes hold the most value in terms of how they look, and this is I think one of my favorite picks, and that's why I saved it for the last. It's actually a linen beige maxi dress, which I feel is so apt for workwear. Literally one outfit that just will always look super pretty, and that is something like this. So subtle. It has like a thread work on it, but so subtle. The work is also like really subtle and simple, and it's so elegant. This is total boss lady mode. If you ask me, if I was the CEO of a company, this is what I would wear because it's just so powerful. It's understated yet elegant, yet so beautiful. I think one of the most beautiful outfits. I love this belt. By the way, it's a separate belt which you tie it. I've actually tied it with a thread. It basically has a thread which you can tie this. The belt also has thread work on it, which makes it super pretty, and overall I feel this silhouette is so nice. This is such a beautiful dress, such a good quality linen. Every detailing is so pretty. Look at these. The kind of detailing this has, whether it's the thread work on the neck, it has a collar, whether the work on the belt, everything is just very, very understated and elegant, which is what I love about this dress. Perfect for workwear or a lunch out or a brunch out or even on a holiday. You know, you definitely want multi-purpose clothes in your life which you can wear on multiple occasions and rewear them, restyle them. So this is one of those dresses that I highly recommend you to have because it's so gorgeous. All of these outfits have been amazing, whether it's the cord set, whether it's the kurta sets, whether it's these two dresses, the first dress and this dress. W's collection is such, I actually picked up at least 7-8 more outfits because I just couldn't decide what I wanted. There's so many options for workwear, for casual wear, for everything, but specifically if you're a working woman who's looking to amp up their wardrobe, you really need to go to W and check out their collection. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's breezy, it's comfortable, it's just ideal for summer. I'm very happy with my buys. These 5 outfits have been so beautiful. I love all of them. If I had to pick a favorite, I'll probably pick this dress and the third blue linen set. Very elegant, very smart, super comfy. I can live in these clothes all day. I really hope you guys like this video. I really enjoyed trying out all these outfits for you guys because they're so pretty. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be linking all of these outfits down below for you guys to buy. So yes, go on shopping. If you are looking to amp up your workwear wardrobe, you need to just head to W and get the amazing outfits that they have.